Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, specs, and features of the latest cars in the market. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE, a luxury SUV that continues to set high standards in performance, technology, and comfort. This model brings a refined design, updated technology, and enhanced powertrains, making it one of the most compelling options in its segment. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE showcases a bold yet elegant exterior with an aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a well-sculpted body that exudes sophistication. The aerodynamic enhancements improve fuel efficiency and performance while adding a modern touch to its presence on the road. The rear gets redesigned taillights and a sportier bumper, giving it a refreshed look without straying too far from its signature style. Larger alloy wheels and a variety of exterior color options allow for greater customization, making the GLE stand out with its striking road presence. Inside, the 2025 GLE offers a luxurious and tech-filled cabin that blends premium materials with advanced technology. The interior features high-quality leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum trims that elevate the sense of luxury. The seats are ergonomically designed with excellent cushioning and ventilation, ensuring a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers. The spaciousness remains one of its strong points, providing ample legroom and headroom across both rows. Technology is a major highlight in the 2025 GLE, with the latest iteration of the MBUX infotainment system. A large, high-resolution touchscreen integrates seamlessly with the digital driver's display, offering intuitive controls and an immersive user experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a high-quality Burmester sound system that delivers an exceptional audio experience. Voice control capabilities have been improved, making it easier to adjust settings, navigate routes, or control entertainment without taking hands off the wheel. The ambient lighting system adds to the cabin's premium feel, with multiple color options to create a personalized atmosphere. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE offers a range of powertrain options, catering to different performance preferences. The base model comes with a turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers a balance of efficiency and power, making it suitable for daily driving. For those seeking more performance, a turbocharged inline-6 with a mild hybrid system enhances acceleration and fuel economy. The top-tier AMG variant takes performance to the next level with a handcrafted V8 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque for an exhilarating drive. The inclusion of a 48-volt mild hybrid system across the lineup improves efficiency and provides an extra boost during acceleration. Mercedes-Benz has equipped the 2025 GLE with an advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent traction and stability across different road conditions. The adaptive air suspension further enhances ride quality, absorbing bumps and rough surfaces effortlessly. Different driving modes allow customization of the driving experience, from comfort-oriented cruising to dynamic and sporty handling. The steering feels precise, and the suspension tuning strikes a perfect balance between comfort and performance. When it comes to safety, the 2025 GLE is packed with advanced driver assistance features that prioritize security and convenience. Standard safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The enhanced parking assist system uses a 360-degree camera to make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Night vision assist is also available, helping detect pedestrians and animals in low-light conditions. Mercedes-Benz's semi-autonomous driving technology adds another layer of convenience, allowing for hands-free driving in specific situations while ensuring safety remains a priority. Cargo space in the 2025 GLE is generous, with a large rear storage area that accommodates luggage, groceries, or sports equipment with ease. The power-folding rear seats provide additional flexibility, expanding cargo capacity when needed. A hands-free power liftgate adds to the convenience, making loading and unloading hassle-free. Fuel efficiency varies across the lineup, with the base 4-cylinder engine offering the best mileage, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize economy. The mild hybrid technology in the 6-cylinder model improves fuel savings without compromising performance. The AMG variant, while delivering exhilarating speed and power, remains relatively efficient for a high-performance SUV. For those considering a plug-in hybrid option, Mercedes-Benz offers an electrified variant of the GLE that combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor for improved efficiency and reduced emissions. This variant provides an all-electric driving range for short commutes, making it a great option for eco-conscious buyers. Mercedes-Benz offers multiple trim levels for the 2025 GLE, allowing buyers to choose a model that best suits their needs and budget. Higher trims come with additional luxury features such as massaging seats, a panoramic sunroof, and an upgraded sound system. The AMG model features sporty exterior elements, larger wheels, and an enhanced exhaust system that adds an aggressive note to the driving experience. Ownership experience is further enhanced with Mercedes-Benz's top-tier warranty and service packages. Buyers can opt for extended maintenance plans that cover regular servicing, ensuring long-term reliability and peace of mind. The brand's reputation for quality and durability makes the GLE a solid investment in the luxury SUV segment. Driving the 2025 GLE is a refined experience, with smooth power delivery, responsive handling, and a quiet cabin that isolates road noise effectively. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the GLE maintains a composed and confident demeanor. The optional off-road package equips the SUV with additional features like underbody protection and off-road driving modes, making it capable of tackling rough terrain when